Hi, it's Lori from Fluidartistrybylori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to work on another clock. I have the base. It's a wooden base, as you can see. Got it taped up in the back and the push pins put in. And the front has been gessoed, 3 coats of it, as a matter of fact. So it's all ready to go. And I'm ready to go too. So what I'm going to do is, I had so much fun playing with the balloon the other day that I'm going to do it again today with this. But I'm going to do it a little different. Not a lot, just a little. I love working with balloons. They just leave such a nice design in the background. They just really put some detail to a painting that I think is really cool. The thing about these clocks is, with the edges the way they are, these are I believe they're art mines. They're from Michael's anyway. And they have the edge, which is really nice, but the paint drips right down it, which is fine. But you just got to make sure you really get a good coat of paint on there for the paint to flow off of, and also so that it doesn't end up with bare spots when you're done. So it's like working with the deep canvases, you know, you gotta just make sure you get the paint on there. This is Artist Loft white with just a little bit of the satin enamel from DecoArt, DecoArt. I'm having trouble talking today apparently, but that's okay. This is my base coat, and I think I've got a lot of paint on there, but that's okay too. I'll smooth it all out here. Feels good to have my hands in the paint. I've been doing some resin work, and I haven't had my hands in paint in a little bit, and I've missed it. Been a few days. Okay, I'm not too worried about the sides there now. There's plenty of paint there, and it will roll right off. Just want to maybe tilt it a little bit. So I've got all of my paints and the pouring medium, which is just simply glue and Floetrol, all in the description box below, so that if you have any questions about what I used, I'll tell you as I go along as we're doing this today. But also, if you want to just check it out and refresh your memory or use some of these colors, you can just simply go to the description box of any of my videos, and you will find the list right there, and the proportions of pretty much everything. The only thing is, you know, when you're mixing paints, each paint that you mix is going to mix a little bit differently, because they each have a different consistency coming right out of the bottle that they come in, or the tube that they come in. So we have to remember to use less water in the thinner ones and more water in the thicker ones. And with this formula, I can thicken up some of them with just a little more glue. Instead of going 50% glue and 50% Floetrol, I might put a little more glue in there to thicken it up. You know, you just gotta play around with it a little bit, is basically what it is. I started with the glue and Floetrol, and I've pretty much come back to it for the most part, because it works. And it's easy to, you know, to mix. It's easy to adjust by adding a little more or a little less glue for thickness. And it's also inexpensive. You know, it doesn't cost a lot. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of puddles out here, and then I'm going to go in with the balloon and move the paint around a little bit. So what I've got here is a lot of the same colors that I have left over from the last painting that I did. And this here is the Grumbacher Prussian blue. And I'm going to just start with a couple of puddles, and already I've made a mess. That's okay. I'm hoping to leave just a little bit of negative space here with this, but we'll see how it goes. This is Artist Loft Copper. Apparently I didn't mix it up very well. This one actually has a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium in there, so let me just wipe that off of there. The Liquitex does separate. Glass pouring medium. Okay, here we go. We can smooth this off of there too. There we go. Okay. And I think we'll go in with some Artist Loft metallic blue. I love this. Artist Loft has nice metallics, they really do. And got my custom maroon. Put a little bit of the Prussian blue on this one. A little bit of different order on some of these. And of course we've got to have some of the gold. This is Golden's Iridescent Gold. Got some serious bubbles there. Just quick torch. Quick torch. Okay. Just gonna take the balloon. It's just a regular party balloon. Regular size, I don't even know what size, 12-inch, whatever they are normally. I just blew it up a little bit. Off, because I want to get rid of some of this paint. You don't want too much of it going around, but you can spread it out a little bit. Seeing some cells coming up, that's awesome. Probably should have put another Okay, I thought I was going to want to put more puddles on there, but I'm not thinking so anymore. I think I might just kind of like it being very minimalistic like this. I'm going to get my little balloon now and make some final little touches, fine tune. I like to use the little balloon to get in there and really just do some little spots. And it's filled with just a little bit of water. had another tack in there, huh? This is really pretty. Wow. I really love this. Yeah. Oh, look, it didn't even make a mess. Okay, well, how lucky is that? Let's see. Just want to bring a little more color. Let me just dip it over here where I had some color. Oh wow, look at that. Oh wow. I love it. This is awesome. I am so thrilled with it. I was able to actually stop myself before I went too far. I left a lot of negative space back in the background. Look at all the details and the colors that are so bright. I've got some cells in there that are just adding a little bit more interest to it. Love the colors. Wow. I'm so happy with this. So when it dries, it'll get resin. And then it will get some hands and some numbers on it. So pretty. Look at those colors. And those details. Wow. Well, thanks for coming and hanging with me again today. Really appreciate it. I hope you like this even half as much as I do. Let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And have fun with your painting. Try something different. Try something new. I've been doing a lot of that lately. I haven't done these in a while, these balloon kisses, but I just forgot how beautiful they are. Really. So you have a great day, and do something nice for yourself. Take care of you. You're no good to anybody else unless you take care of you. Don't forget to do that. It's important for all of us. So take care. Love you much. Love you much. Bye.